What is up, guys? It's Sam here, and today's another video. Today, very special, we got a new car. It is a Nissan. It was very, very expensive. My dad had to go to the bank to get some money. It was over like around 9 grand. It's a black Nissan. It's got bum warmers. That sounds nice, doesn't it? Sounds a bit off and funny and a bit silly, but like everyone wants that in their car. It's a very nice one, but Dad's just checked out the windows. He checked the windows. My brother's where he sits, my little one, in his chair. Yeah, it doesn't work properly, so he's going to have to send it back. But then they're going to fix it, hopefully, and then we can soon enough get it back again. But yes, it's a very powerful car. I'll show you the top of it. Let's hope you can see it. You probably can't. If you can't see it, sorry guys. It's just quite bright out there. But yeah. Short video. Hope you remember to stay tuned for my next videos, because I've now got very good ideas. So remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and remember to turn your notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.